Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from iPhone 17 Pro to Galaxy S26 Ultra and provide full guide and quick and easy way. Simply go to your control center, make sure to connect Wi-Fi in the same wireless. I'm already connect Wi-Fi to same wireless. Okay, and you just open Smart Switch apps, open App Store and install these apps in my iPhone. I'm already installed this. Press on open, receive, select wireless. Let's go wireless and next. Just scan this QR code in my iPhone. Press on to join. Okay, now it's scanning. Okay, alright, now showing it to all data in my iPhone. If you want to select or deselect, customize, press on transfer. Okay, once hit complete to 100%, then successfully transfer all data from my iPhone 17 Pro to Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's it.